Welcome to the Nature No Show with your host, me.
And I'm your camera person.
And today we will be going down the Colorado River in the middle of the Grand Canyon. See you there. Hi. What's up? This is the Grand Canyon. And we're on the Colorado River in the middle of a raft and I have to pee. And this water is 48 degrees cold. And it's 112 degrees out here.
We interrupt this message to bring you a forest fire from Williams. Over there. Kind of, that little stuff over there.
Okay, we just had a commercial break. And you see these walls? Yeah, they're all brown. It's made of sand or something. I don't know what it's called. It's like sand, I think. Something like that. Yeah, see the black stuff on the wall? That takes 2,000 years to form. Yeah. We're in the middle of raging rapids. I'm about to die.
These are the raging rapids.
Echo. Woo. Echo. This is a really quiet spot, and they say you can see cheese in it. Recycle. Okay, there's supposed to be a blue heron somewhere over there, but we can't see it. It's supposed to be on that rock. Yeah, I don't really know which one because there's a ton of rocks.
The rock that I've got the camera pointed at.
It's supposed to be on one of the rocks. Oh, see, it's right there. See? Oh, this is an amazing spotting. This is footage to behold for 5 years. Nobody's ever seen one of these things in the history of life. Okay, this is a rock fall from 2 years ago. You see from up there? Yeah, there used to be like a geyser or something. And all the rocks fell. Yeah. Okay, you know how I said we were in the sand stuff? Well, now we're changed into some other sand that they still haven't told us what it is. I mean, I haven't discovered what it is yet. That's all, folks, for the Nature No Show. Get some salt with this air.